Hi lads, in this video I'm going to go through the activities from page 55 of your Graphic Solutions booklet. First activity I'm going to do is 6.27, then I'm going to go to 6.29, 6.31 and then 6.33. So 6.27, 29, 31 and 33. So the first one, the figure shows a set of cubes, 10 mm in length. Shade the cubes that will be seen looking in the direction of the arrow. In the space by a drawn elevation of the cube looking in the direction of the arrow. So basically we're drawing what we see when we look in this direction here, the elevation. So looking at the front of it. So I'm just going to use colours once again, and just like previous videos I'm going to use red for my elevation and try to become used to the idea of using one colour for certain views. So when I'm looking at the front I can see all of this here. So I can't see anything on the top, I can't see anything on the side at all, I can only see them red cubes there. And we're told they're all going to be 10 mm lengths. So what I'll do is I'll keep it on the bottom line here for what I'll be drawing. And what I'll do is I'll just come in slightly from the right hand side to start this line here. So the first line I have there is that. And the total height is 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks high, which is going to be 40 mm. So I take that up 40 there, and I take a light line across. And I can see it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks wide as well. So 40 mm there. And now what I've drawn is a box that all of my cubes are going to fit inside. So each block is going to be 10 mm by 10 mm. So what I can do is I can divide this into 10, 20, 30, 40, and this one up here is going to be 10, 20, 30 and 40 again. And what I'll do is I'll draw on lightly all of my lines there. Now from what I can actually see, I'm going to start with this right hand side here. So I can see all 4 of those first. So we can draw on all 4 blocks there. In the next row, it's missing one at the bottom, and then I can see the second and third. So skip the one in the bottom. I can see the second and the third. I can draw this in heavy here. Third row, I can see the first and the second. And then with the last one, I can just see the bottom row. And just to make it quite clear what I can actually see, because it makes it look like with this line in the bottom here, it looks like as if it's all coloured in. I'll just colour in exactly what I can see, and for the next few ones what I'll do is I'll keep it up slightly off the bottom line as well to avoid confusion. So I can actually see is only that there. So if we compare it, we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 1, 1, 2, skip 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1. So for the next one, what I'm going to do is the baseline slightly across there, so keeping it up from the base there that we have already given for the box. And once again, I'm going to colour in what exactly I'm going to see. So only looking in this direction here. Oh, and this one here as well. So once again, keep my line in slightly. So all 10 mm blocks. And we can see the total width of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to set that to 60, and I'll just do my dots for my 10 mm again. Get my outside up first, and I can see it goes up a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can mark off my 40 there. So there's a box that would fit the whole of my elevation, and then to divide it up to give me my actual 10mm cubes. Remember, all these lines are light, we only draw on heavy what we're actually going to see then fully in the end. So for the first row, we can see it's on the ground, we can see 1, 2. The next one, it's only 1, it's on the second row. After that then, it's touching off the second row there, and it goes up 2 more, so touching off this one, up 2 more there. And there's 2 more rows along the second one. And the last one is on the bottom row there. And then just colour in exactly what I can actually see looking at my front elevation again. So the next one, activity 6.31, and we're looking in this way again. You can see that block, and this one, these 2 here, these 2 here, bottom one, and these 2, and then finally this one up here. Same idea again. We'll draw a baseline, we'll draw a line in slightly. I'm going to count how wide it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to have 60 going across there. We'll dot all my 10s once again. And then the total height of my elevation is going to go 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and then this one is going to be 4 rows. So there's a box that my whole elevation will fit inside. Nothing should be sticking out by that box at all. And I can draw on all my light lines now once again from my individual box. So you can see here, for the first 2, they're on the same row, and they're side by side, and they go no higher than 1 block. For the third row, skip the bottom one, and it goes up 1, 2, 3. So it goes all the way to the top, and skip in the bottom row. And the next one, we go across from this one here, which is going to be this one, goes over 1 and then just down 1. That gives me that section there. And then it's the bottom row. And then finally it goes up to there. And there I went up to as well. I can draw on once again exactly what I'm going to see. And that's that one drawn in now. And my line going across here as well. And the last one, 6.34. Let's see when I look in this way. You will see this one, this one, this one. Goes down there. Goes across there. And I have these two here. Because this one is in front of this one, still going to see this one, so there'll be no hidden detail here. But I still have two blocks behind there as well. So I'll draw a line once again, up and across. Take the width, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the height is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So once again I've now drawn a box to fit it inside, and now I can divide it up. So what I'm going to do is start off with this corner here. This is a bit difficult starting over on this side for anybody who may get stuck on it. So the bottom corner is the first one I can see, and it's going to go across 1, 2, 3. So I can go across all of them 3 there as well. Then goes up 2 more. And then it's going to go up a bit. It's going to go across 2 more. And then we have this one behind the row of 3 here, so the row of 3 there. There's one more that goes in there. And then once again, just using the red, show my front elevation. This is exactly what we're going to see there as well as a result. So hopefully that video helps anybody who may have been stuck on any of those questions there.